We are pleased to show you the 2017 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, Bluetooth, audio radio, touch screen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.